Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about MCQs on the topic of nucleophilic substitution reaction in octahedral complexes. First of all, we will say in nucleophilic substitution reaction the ligand is replaced by metal complex or another ligand. इसका आंसर है another ligand. The group that leaves the complex is called leaving group or entering group. तो ये इसका आंसर है A. All the ligands are electrophiles या nucleophiles. इसका आंसर है B. Ma5 is a complex tetrahedral या octahedral. Answer will be B. Nucleophilic substitution reaction has mechanism 1, 2, 3. Answer will be B. Addition of entering group is called dissociation step or association step. तो ये dissociation step कहलाता है. Square pyramidal intermediate has coordination number 5 और 6. तो इसका आंसर है 6. Dissociation step is also called bond breaking step or bond forming step. Answer will be A. Which step is slow in SN1 reaction? Dissociation or association? Answer will be A. Rate determining step is in SN1 is association या dissociation? Answer will be B. Dissociation step. Rate of SN1 reaction depends upon 1 molecule, 2 molecule. Answer will be A. SN mechanism is also called unimolecular SN mechanism, bimolecular SN mechanism. Answer will be A. In SN1, the rate of reaction is proportional to ml5. Directly proportional या inversely proportional? Answer will be A. Directly proportional. In SN1, the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of complex या leaving group. Answer will be B. Leaving group. SN1 reaction proceeds through association step या dissociation step. So answer will be A. Associative. In SN2, the associative step is slow or fast? It will be fast. Answer will be B. Ma5Le has coordination number. It will be 6 or 7. Answer will be 7. In SN1, the dissociative step is generally fast. It is absolutely fast. In SN2 associative step, E attacks from Ma5Le, Ma5E. Answer will be A. Ma5Le. In SN2 associative step, bond form is metal or entering group, or second one is A and E. So it will be A. In SN2 rate determining step is SN2 में rate determining step जो होता है वो associative होता है या dissociative. So it will be associative. SN2 reaction is unimolecular, bimolecular. It is bimolecular. SN2 reaction involves dash species 2, 3. It will be 2. The rate of SN2 reaction depends upon concentration of complex, and entering ligand. Answer will be B. Concentration of complex and entering ligand. Rate law for SN2 reaction: R is equal to Ma5L. R is equal to K Ma5Le. Rate will be B. SN2 reaction is also called unimolecular SN mechanism, bimolecular SN mechanism. So it will be bimolecular SN mechanism. S1 mechanism follows the order rate law. First order या second order? It will be first order. Redox reaction involves sharing of electrons, transfer of electrons. The answer will be B. Transfer of electrons. In a redox reaction, electron is transferred between 2 species and 3 species. So it will be 2 species. There are dash type of redox reaction, 2 or 4. It will be 2. Outer sphere mechanism not involves coordination sphere or ligand. It will be coordination sphere. Rate of outer sphere is fast or slow? It will be fast. In inner sphere, electron transfer takes place through matter or bridge ligand. So answer will be B. Bridge ligand. As the ligand involved in this reaction, so it will be fast or slow? It will be slow. Inner sphere mechanism is strong or intermediate? It will be intermediate. Inner sphere mechanism is in single state or double state? It will be in single state. In hydrolysis reaction, ligand is replaced by water molecules or carbon molecules? It will be water molecule. In acid hydrolysis, complex is formed aqua or basic? It will be aqua. In base hydrolysis, complex is formed basic hydroxo. It will be hydroxo. In base hydrolysis, ligand is replaced by hydroxyl group or carbonate group. It will be a hydroxyl group. Acid hydrolysis has pH greater than 3 or pH less than 3. It will be, the answer will be A. In acid hydrolysis, rate is independent of water molecules or acid. It will be water molecule. Basic hydrolysis has pH greater than 10 or pH less than 10. It will be A. Anation reaction are the reverse of base hydrolysis or acid hydrolysis. It will be acid hydrolysis. Rate of anation reaction depends upon the concentration of complex and anion, complex and metal. It will be complex and anion. Complex that undergo substitution rapidly are inert or kinetically labile. It will be kinetically labile. MX bond present in Ma5L, Ma5. It will be AMA5L. Types of interchange mechanism is 4 or 2. It will be 2. Electron rich species is oxidant or reductant. It will be reductant. The cobalt loses chloride and acquires aqua ligand or bromo ligand. It will be aqua ligand. Thank you very much.